In this video, I will explain standard form with examples. If you find this video helpful, please support me by clicking the subscribe button. Feel free to comment below for any questions or any other topics so that I could make more videos you would benefit from. Let's get started. Standard form. Normally when you see standard form or when you're asked to write a number in standard form, it will always be in the form of a times 10 to the power n, where a is between 1 and 10. So the official definition for standard form, it is a form of writing numbers using a certain set of rules. This special way of writing numbers would help us easily compare and work with them. So that's it, that's standard form. Let's have a look at a few examples. Question 1. Write 1.8 times 10 to the power 5 as an ordinary number. So the number was given in the form of standard form. Then you need to write it as an ordinary number. Okay, so the number is 1.8 times 10 to the power 5. So what we need to focus on is here, times 10 to the power positive 5. Okay, when you have a positive 5, that means we need to move the decimal point to the right 5 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. That's it. So your final answer is 180,000. Okay, so that's 1.8 times 10 to the power 5 as an ordinary number. Next one, question 2. Write 3.15 times 10 to the power negative 3 as an ordinary number. So 3.15, focusing point is the times 10 to the power minus 3. Because it's minus 3, we need to move the decimal point to the left 3 times. So once, twice, 3 times, add your 0, and that's it. So your final answer is 0.00315. To summarize here is, if it's 10 to the power positive number, you move the decimal point to the right. If it's 10 to the power negative number, you move the decimal point to the left. Next, we have write 0.0739 in standard form. So just remind ourselves what standard form looks like. It's a times 10 to the power n, where your a is between 1 and 10. So for this number, the only option we have to pick the number between 1 and 10 is 7.39. And because your original number is smaller than this number, therefore we have to use a negative power for the 10 so that we can have our results. Okay, we start with number 7.39. To reach our number in question, 0.0739, we need to move this decimal point to the left. Okay, so 0.0739, move once is not going to be enough, so we need to move it twice. Therefore, we moved the decimal point to the left twice. Therefore, your answer is 7.39 times 10 to the power negative 2. And that's our third example. Next one, question 4, write 0.0002 in standard form. Remind ourselves about standard form, a times 10 to the power n, where a is between 1 and 10. So the only option we have is picking number 2. Again, this number 0.0002 is smaller than 2, so our 10 to the power will have to be a negative number again. For number 2, our decimal points on the right here, and our original number, or the number in question, was 0.0002. Therefore, we need to move our decimal point now. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So we move our decimal point to the left 4 times. So the answer is 2 times 10 to the power negative 4. Last example, question 5, write 5,800,000 in standard form. Again, just put it in the top right corner to remind us what standard form looks like. Because number A will have to be between 1 and 10, the only option we have here will be 5.8 as the starting point. And then we need to times 10 to the power something. We know this number in question will have to be a positive number because 5,800,000 is a lot bigger than 5.8. So the number is 5,800,000 and we start with 5.8. So now we need to move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we move the decimal point to the right 6 times. Therefore, the final answer is 5.8 times 10 to the power 6. That's it. That's all the examples I'd like to go through with you for today regarding standard forms. If this video helped you in any way, please give me a like, subscribe and share this with your friends. Comment with questions or topics that I might be able to help you with in future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.